about it. It'd be nice if you said, said a couple of words. Don't be concerned, folks. Like this happens all the time up here.
I know, he showed me, so I was like, it's something they don't really get to see often. So, you know where we're now?
Zeus is throwing his thunderbolts.
Where are we now? Park. Which park?
That's on another planet.
Please. See, that's funny that you said that. In the videos, how they